In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap FigJam stickies in Figma. This is a simple but really handy trick, especially if you're organizing brainstorming sessions, retro boards, or any kind of workshop where ideas are captured on sticky notes. Instead of manually rewriting or rearranging content, you can quickly swap stickies to keep your board clean and logically structured. First, open a FigJam file in Figma. You can do this from your Figma dashboard by selecting any existing FigJam board, or by creating a new one if you want to practice. Once the file is open, zoom into the area where your stickies are located so you can clearly see what you're working with. It helps to give yourself a little bit of space on the canvas so that dragging and swapping feels more controlled. Next, you'll want to select the stickies you plan to swap. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click each sticky note you want to include. You can select 2 stickies to swap positions directly, or select multiple stickies if you're planning to reorder several of them. Make sure you're clicking on the sticky itself, not the background, so you don't accidentally drag the entire canvas. If you misclick, just let go and try again. It's better to be precise here. Once your stickies are selected, look closely at one of them and locate the small red dot inside the sticky. This red dot is your handle for swapping. Move your cursor over that red dot, then click and hold. While holding, drag the sticky towards the position where you want it to go. As you drag, you'll notice that Figma gives you visual feedback, showing how the stickies will rearrange themselves. This makes it easier to predict where each sticky will end up. When you release the mouse button, the stickies will swap positions based on where you dragged that red dot. The content of the stickies stays the same, but their placement on the board is updated, which is perfect when you're grouping similar ideas or moving the most important notes to the top. If the result isn't what you expected, you can simply undo using your usual undo shortcut and try again, maybe dragging a little more carefully or zooming in further for accuracy. And that's all you need to do to swap FigJam stickies in Figma.